Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the device is enrolled in Find My Device and that you can sign into the linked account. Once signed in, open the service on a computer or secondary phone and locate the device. This verifies reachability. Make sure you note the last known location and timestamp because that informs decision-making. If the device appears offline, prepare to queue commands. If online, proceed immediately to lock or erase. This establishes control and gathers evidence before destructive steps. Now you lock the device first. Set a PIN, add a recovery message and phone number so someone honest can return it. Then issue the erase command. This triggers a factory reset once the device is online. You do this because locking preserves a chance of recovery, while erasing prevents data theft when recovery is unlikely. Be aware, erasing removes app access and may clear location reporting. However, activation lock features often remain tied to your account to deter reuse. Finally, verify the wipe completed by checking your Find My Device dashboard or the confirmation email. If successful, remote tracking stops because the phone is reset. If the erase did not run, retry after re-signing into your account or reinstalling the management app. Sometimes the device needs to come online and receive the queued command. If you suspect theft, report IMEI to your carrier and law enforcement so they can block service and assist. This closes the loop and protects your data.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.